Good evening and welcome back to 3G Video. Today I'm here with my dad and we are in Springfield, Illinois for the International Route 66 Festival. Benny is actually entered. It kind of gives us a better parking spot. That's pretty much the reason. Anyway, we are here and today we're going to give you a first person point of view of going around and seeing the cars and getting some pictures. We're going to try something new today, get some cool pictures. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, let's see how this works. This is the first time using this mount, so obviously they have everything closed down and a lot of cars out here, and let's just see what we can go around and get pictures of. Looks like the escorted parade of cars is on its way. Let's see what this looks like from over across the street. I think that's going to be my option here. Okay, got some people checking out the cars. Yeah, that's that'll work. See if we can use some of these shrubs here. See if that works with the crop on it. Love to use the front of this truck for something. I think that would be cool. Sounds rowdy. Nice, man. Oh, I love the smell of race fuel. So let me know down in the comments if you like that narrow or the wider angle. Got an idea. Got an idea. Diesel wagon over there, that's pretty dope. I don't know if that's gonna turn out, but this 55, this purple 55. Let's see what we can do with it. I think it sounds healthy. Got a C8, that's cool. That's cool. The old Monty. beetle. I love beetles. I don't know why. I love them. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, it really helps out with the algorithms and getting the video out. So if you guys could help out the channel, that'd be great. Thank you. And back to taking pictures. I think taking one down here should turn out just right. Yes. Ooh. This is definitely very NASCAR-esque. I like it. I appreciate the NASCAR vibe. Oh. I think it might have been overheating just a touch. Mustang. Hi, Mustang. Let's get this guy out here taking pictures. Let's see if he'll move out here where we can get a picture of him taking pictures. There we go. There we go. Sometimes you just gotta get a little open and walk on the road, you know, why not? I'm gonna get down to the circle down here. Well, let's get the dude. Oh, you're stunting. See if we can get a kid out here. Oh, there we go. Hopefully make that depth of field a little bit shallower. Or not shallower, but wider. Oh. A little bit. A little bit. Oh no. Oh, that's a bunch of garbage. That's not even right. Okay. Somebody's doing burnouts down there. Let's get this guy driving his bicycle. That's interesting. Maybe we can get that in the background. Maybe that's how we do this. If we get over on the other side, maybe. Maybe. We can get over there. Go ahead and walk over here. See if I can get that in the background. Oh, it's definitely a church, not a governmental building. Okay, somebody's... Oh, the truck is apparently down. Here. Woo! Oh, I got 56 right there. Oh, that thing's cool. Oh, the cab over that's sick. Hummers, that's an interesting addition. Okay, we got the Night Rider, I guess, kit or whatever. It's not. get a little bit farther away from it to make that work, but oof. I think this is where they're doing all the burnouts, so hopefully we'll see some pretty good ones. Okay, hold on. If I can get over here. Hopefully they're getting something to do. Let's see. This might be our spot. There we go. Okay, this might be good. Yeah, I'd say this is probably a pretty decent spot. There we go. Starting to get dark quick. Okay guys, it is starting to get dark enough that I do not feel comfortable using the GoPro. It's going to start getting grainy and I'm not a huge fan of that. So we're going to end it off here, but I will show you some more pictures from later this evening. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. If you want to see more of the pictures, go on over to my website at 3gvideo.net. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to see some more amazing content if you feel that it's worthy enough for that. Thank you guys for joining with me today. As always, have a blessed day. I'll talk to you guys next time.